Hello student, this is the seventh part of matrices. So today I am going to explain some more types of matrices. First of all, transpose of a matrix. This definition already explained, this type already explained. For example, A is a matrix, then its transpose denoted by A power T. This matrix is obtained from A. Simply rows of matrix A are converted to columns, or columns of matrix A are converted to rows. The resulting matrix is called a transpose. Okay. See, the matrix obtained from given matrix A by interchanging its rows into columns is called transpose. Rows into columns or columns into rows, both are same. Okay. So A power T or A power 1, both are A power T or A power 1. Those are notations for transpose of a matrix. Okay students, important, if here note 1, if A and B are equal matrices, then A transpose also equal to B transpose. Then identity matrix transpose is always I. Next, A square whole transpose equal to A transpose whole square. This is important note. This is important note. A square whole transpose equal to A transpose whole square. So one more important is A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose directly. Next, AB whole transpose. This is very important. We can prove that this result. That is not a big problem. Taking A as AJ and B as BJK. Okay, so we will get a B transpose into A transpose. Should take care. AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. We can extend this. ABC whole transpose is always equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Okay, these two are important notations. Okay, see here. Yeah, what I wrote here, A transpose whole transpose equal to A only. There is not a big problem. A is a matrix and K is any number. Oh, this is very important. This is very important. Scalar into a matrix whole power transpose equal to K into A transpose. Don't write K transpose or A transpose into K transpose. That is not correct. If K is matrix, this is correct. Where K is not a matrix, scalar. That's why K into A transpose equal to K into A transpose. Each element of transpose should multiply with K. Okay. Yeah. Important type nana, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. I will define now. For example, a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. Any matrix, any square matrix satisfied by this condition, then that matrix is called symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix, A transpose equal to A. Here an example is given. Here 1, 4, 5. So these two are same. Observe nana. These two are same, like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 I can write. 7, 8, 8 I can write. Something you can write, anything here you can write, some 9. So this is the one of the example for symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix, A transpose equal to A. Okay. Next one is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if it A transpose equal to minus A, or another words I can say that A transpose plus A equal to null matrix. So in this situation the matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Observe here. Important note, in skew symmetric matrix principal diagonal elements are all are zeros. Principal diagonal elements all are zeros. Important, this very important note. See here, 0 0 0. So taking any square matrix, if it transpose equal to additive inverse of A, then that matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. So a very important type nana. Okay students, listen. Note 1 here given. What is given, that note I will read first of all. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose is always symmetric. Important. A is a square given. A is square. A plus A transpose always symmetric means what is the meaning of that? A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus A transpose. Should prove now this. Then you can say that A plus A transpose is always a symmetric matrix. Now I want to prove. Observe here. Consider A plus A transpose whole transpose. By the definition, what is the definition? A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and that's why A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. So this is A transpose as it is. Already A transpose whole transpose A only, no? So what you got here, Nana? A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus B matrix equal to B plus A matrix only. Commutative property with respect to addition will satisfy. That's why just I can write A plus A transpose. So what you got? A plus A transpose equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus A transpose. What is the meaning of this? A plus A transpose is always symmetric matrix. This is the proof for note 1. Okay. Yes, students. Note 2. Note 2. A is any square matrix that A minus A transpose skew symmetric. A minus A transpose skew means K matrix is said to be skew means K power T or transpose of that matrix equal to additive inverse of that matrix. Then you can say that is skew symmetric. So what should prove here? A minus A transpose whole transpose should be equal to minus of A minus A transpose. Okay, then we can say that matrix is skew symmetric. So A is square matrix. Yeah, consider A minus A transpose whole transpose. According to definition, I can write this is A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. This is A transpose minus A. So this can be written as A minus A transpose. That is not big problem. No? Already explained. A minus B matrix is always equal to minus of B minus A matrix only. Scalar multiplication with minus 1. Okay. Scalar multiplication, no? That scalar is minus 1. So what I got here? A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to minus of A minus A transpose means that K transpose equal to minus K. That is A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Skew, SKEW, skew symmetric. Okay, so second also proved. Another important note 3 students. Yeah, any matrix, any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, because A plus A transpose by 2 plus of A minus A transpose A only, no? Observe now. Here A transpose get cancelled, we will get A only. That's why any square matrix can be written as can be expressed as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Yeah, students, next type, conjugate of a matrix. Conjugate of a matrix is given. For example, A matrix, its conjugate denoted by A bar. So this matrix obtained by just replacing the conjugates of the given elements. Conjugates already explained. Conjugate element. For example, 2 plus 3 is a complex number. Its conjugate is 2 minus 3, because their sum and the product is a real number. Such a way that two complex numbers exist, they are said to be conjugate to each other. If a matrix A is given, so it's just we need to replace each element of that matrix A by its conjugate. The new matrix is called conjugate matrix or conjugate of that matrix. Clearly here example is given, no? Conjugate of 1 only. Conjugate of 2 minus 3i, 2 plus 3i only. 3 plus 4i, 3 minus 4i, like that. So this is called conjugate of matrix A. Yeah, students, orthogonal matrix. This is also important. IMP. Orthogonal matrix. Any square matrix A is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to I. any square matrix satisfies this condition, such matrix is called orthogonal matrix. So some examples are given here, you can verify, that is not big problem. So you should remember Nana, types of matrices. Orthogonal means A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to I, unit matrix. Yeah, now problems. So these are not difficult problems. Matrix A given and B given. Verify the following. First verification, A transpose whole transpose equal to A or not. Just verification. Find A transpose, again find its transpose, should get A only. So you people can complete that problem, but you need to write steps neatly. A equal to A transpose, a whole transpose. So what is conclusion means A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Like that, A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. You people can verify this. So this is interesting, no? I explained K into A whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. That's why 5 into B transpose should be equal to 5 into B transpose. You people can verify. Okay. One thing. Second problem also easy. A matrix is given, B matrix is given, then verify AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Verification only, no? Find AB nana, find A transpose, let it be, that is equation 1. Find B transpose and A transpose, multiply them. You should take care. B transpose into A transpose is not same as A transpose into B transpose, because AB matrix is not same as BA matrix, because multiplication matrices won't satisfy commutative property. Should take care while multiplying. Okay. So second, first problem first completed. Second, matrix A given, B given, then find A plus B transpose, A matrix plus B transpose. Okay, you people can complete that. Yeah, A given here, then find A into A transpose. Do A and A transpose commutative with respect to multiplication of matrices. A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to I, then only you can say that it is a orthogonal matrices. This should not happens always. You people should verify that. Okay. Okay students, next, yeah, this side answers given. Okay, this side problems. Fourth problem, A given, B given, find A into B whole transpose, A into B transpose whole transpose. So that is not big problem. I think you people can complete, and just multiplications. Matrix A should be multiplied with a B transpose. After that, you need to again find its transpose. Your answer should be this. Very second, fourth. Okay, your answer should be this. Next, fifth problem, A given and B given, then find 2A plus B transpose and 3B transpose. All these are problems easy only, simple algebraical operations. Your answer should be this. A given, then find A plus A transpose and A into A transpose. Okay, your answer should be this. Yeah, this is interesting. Trigonometric ratios are involved, no? Just A given, find A transpose. What type of orthogonal matrix this one? Indirectly, A into A transpose equal to A transpose equal to I means orthogonal. We want to show that this is orthogonal matrix. You people can complete that. Eighth one, A given, B given, then find 3A minus 4 into B transpose. Okay, this also you people can complete. Your answer should be this. Verify nana. Next, ninth problem, A given, B given, find A into B transpose and B into A transpose. Your answer should be this. No, not this one, sorry, this one. Okay, after that, A matrix is given, A and B something. Yeah, this is B. Okay, then verify A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose to B transpose. AB whole transpose equal to B transpose, A transpose. They are not big problem, but multiplication only difficult. Okay, these all problems you can do. Nana answers here given. Please check, cross check your answers. Okay, third problem. Yeah, matrix A given, this which is 3 by 3, a skew symmetric matrix, then find X. But the definition of skew symmetric matrix, X should be 0. Principal diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are all 0. So directly you can say X equals 0. You don't want just to find show that A into A transpose equal to minus A. From there also we will get the x value as 0 only. Yeah. Third means second problem, A given is symmetric. Symmetric means A transpose equal to A. Then find A. So I will find minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7 should be equal to symmetric, not skew, symmetric only. So what happened? Minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5x, 3, 6, 7. Just comparison. Minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 5, 5. 6 equal to x equal to 6. Cross checking, x equal to 6. Final x equal to 6. This is problem number completed. Third one, A given is skew symmetric. Then find x. Just find A transpose should be equal to minus A. From there you will get the value of x. Your x value should be 2 nana. Fourth problem, is symmetric or skew symmetric? You need to check symmetric or skew symmetric. So it's showing that it may be skew, but you need to verify A transpose equal to minus A or not, or A transpose equal to A. Okay. Yeah, students, my fourth problem, A is a square matrix. Then show that A plus A transpose and A into A transpose are symmetric and A minus A transpose skew symmetric. So this one I already proved in that note. A minus A transpose skew symmetric, this I already proved. So this also I already proved. A plus A transpose equal to A plus A whole transpose equal to A plus A transpose. These two I proved already. Just I want to prove that this is symmetric. A into A transpose symmetric. A into A transpose symmetric means what the meaning of that? This transpose of this should be equal to A into A transpose. Okay. Yeah, A into A transpose whole transpose according to the property AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. From that I can write this is A transpose whole transpose into A transpose. That is A into A transpose. So what we got nana? A into A transpose equal to whole transpose equal to A into A transpose. Means that given matrix is symmetric. So totally fourth problem explained. Yeah, fifth problem. Okay. Yeah, what I can say this directly, I can say this is 1 by 2 into A transpose, I can say this A into A transpose should find. So A is what? Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is A transpose cos theta minus sin theta sin theta cos theta. Alphas are given, just I wrote theta, that's not big problem. Multiplication cos theta cos square theta plus sin square theta. Yeah, next minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. Here what happened on here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Yeah, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 0 0 1. What I can say? I by 2 I can say 1 by 2 of I can say. So that is the answer. Okay. 5A equal to 3 minus 4 4x. A is orthogonal. But the definition of orthogonal, A into A transpose equal to I. Okay. What is A here? 1 by 5 of this I can say 1 by 5 into 3 minus 4 4x. So A transpose same thing we will get 1 by 5 of what happened? 3 4 minus 4x. That is 1 by 25 into 3 minus 4 4x matrix should be multiplied with 3 4 minus 4x. Your result should be equal to I 100. Just multiplication only 125. Yeah, this with this. 3 3s are 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 25. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 4x. Yeah, here 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 4x. Here 16 plus x square should be equal to I. So what happened somewhere? I want right here, Nana. Yeah, what is that? 1 12 minus 4x by 25. 12 minus 4x by 25. 16 plus x square by 25 should be equal to 1001. That is 12 minus 4x by 25 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 3. You people should cross check with comparing with another pairs. Okay, this with this, okay, this with this. 3 should substitute. 3 square 9. Okay, satisfying. So final answer of x equal to 3 none. So this is problem number 6. Problem number 7. 7 onwards. A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order. A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order. A and B both are symmetric matrices. Means what the meaning of that? A transpose equal to minus A, B transpose equal to minus B given. Yeah, now you want to show that this is a skew symmetry. Which one? AB minus BA matrix should be skew symmetry. That should prove now. Okay, consider AB minus BA whole transpose. You want to show that is equal to minus of AB minus BA or BA minus AB. According to the definition, I can say that AB whole transpose minus BA transpose. So according to AB whole transpose, what is the meaning of the B transpose into A transpose? Minus A transpose into B transpose. Okay. So instead of B transpose, what I can write now? B transpose minus B I can write here. Into A transpose means minus A. Yeah. So what is here? A transpose minus A into minus B. So what is this? Just BA matrix, this one. This is AB matrix. But AB matrix you want first. That's why I can write this is minus of AB minus BA matrix. That is not big problem. So what is conclusion here? What you got here? AB minus BA whole power or transpose equal to minus of AB minus BA. What is the conclusion? Therefore, AB minus BA is a skew symmetric. Okay students, our next problem, 8th problem. Yeah, 8th problem onwards you want to use one important concept, students. A square matrix means A into A only. A cube matrix means A into A square matrix I can say. A power 4 means I can say A square into A square. Just like you can add exponents. Those are natural numbers only. So this concept is applicable for solving problem 8, 9, 10. Okay students, first of all I want to read problem number 8. If A is a symmetric matrix and n is a natural number, then show that A power n is also symmetric matrix. Okay, given A transpose equal to A because given symmetric. Now you want to show that A power n also a symmetric matrix, or RTP required to prove A power n is a symmetric matrix. Okay, now what to prove that what I am doing, students observe now, consider a power n whole power t. We want to show that this is equal to a power t. Okay. Yeah, if n is taken as 1, what happened? This is a power t1 completed. If n is 1, directly a power n whole power t, a power t1. Already a power t means a only. What the meaning of that? A power n whole power t means a transpose of a power n matrix is a only. If n is taken as 2, then a square whole power t, or sorry, I can't read like that. Transpose of a square matrix, that is a into a whole power t, or transpose a power transpose into a power transpose a into a, that is a square. So what I got here again, a power n whole transpose equal to a power n, where n is taken as 2 here. I will write like that. I will write now what you got, I will write equal to a square I got. So what I got here, a power 1. Similarly a power n whole power t should get as a power n. Okay, that is, yeah, a power n is a symmetric matrix. This is problem number 8. Okay, Nana. 9th problem. 9th onwards difficult, important I can write, important, 9th important I can write. A is a skew symmetric. A is a skew symmetric. A transpose equal to minus A. And 9th, no, okay. N is even positive number. N belongs to even positive natural, or even natural, enough, no need to write positive, natural. Okay. Under this condition, we want to show that a power n is symmetric. Don't confuse. A is skew symmetric, but you want to show that a power n is symmetric. Okay. A power RTP I will write. A power n is symmetric. What is n, Nana? N is the even natural. That is important. So consider a power n whole transpose. So I can write this is a into a power n minus 1 transpose with the definition. So this is a power n minus 1 transpose into a transpose. What is the meaning of this? A power n minus 1 transpose. Already a transpose means minus a. So a power n whole transpose I got as this. So next thing, students, interesting thing next. A power n whole transpose equal to, instead of this I am writing, students, what I can write, a into this one I can write a power 1 into a power n minus 2 I can write whole transpose into minus c. So this is a power n minus 2 transpose into a transpose into minus c. So what is this, Nana? A power n minus 2 transpose into minus a square I can say. A transpose minus a minus minus. What is this? A power n whole transpose. This is result number 2. Now here observation is important. What you will get next I will write directly here. So next what you will get I will write. Similarly I will write a power n whole power transpose of that matrix. Next step you will get, Nana, a power n minus 3 transpose into minus a cube we will get. Next a power n minus 4 transpose into minus a power 4 we will get. What happened? Exponent is decreasing, so on. At a stage minus a power n we will get, Nana. What is n here? Even natural number. N is even natural number. N is even natural number. That's what I can write. A power n I can write since n is even. So what I got here? A power n whole transpose equal to I got a power n. Therefore a power n is symmetric matrix. So this is important problem. Yeah, next 10th problem, students. Yeah, first of all I want to read the problem. If A is a skew symmetric, n is odd in previous problem even, then show that A power n is skew symmetric. In previous symmetric, this skew symmetric. Okay. So given A transpose equal to minus A, n belongs to R natural. Okay, students. What should prove? I will write RTP. A power n is skew symmetric. Means A power n whole transpose equal to minus A power n. That should prove now. Now I am proving. Observe here. Same. Consider A power n whole transpose. This can be written as A into A power n minus 1 transpose. This can be written as A power n minus 1 transpose into A transpose. So this is nothing but A power n minus 1 transpose into minus A. This is A power n whole transpose. I can say this is one of the interesting results. So next thing, so equal to, yeah, students, this one, how I am writing A into A power n minus 2 transpose I can write. Remaining thing as it is, minus A. Yeah, according to definition, A power n minus 2 transpose into A transpose into minus A. What is that, Nana? A power n minus 2 transpose into, this is minus A square I can write. So this is A power n whole power n. Now I want generalize it. Similarly what I will get, I will write in next. Here only I will write, Nana. Here only I will write. Yeah, similarly A power n whole power t transpose equal to A power n minus 3 whole transpose into minus A cube you will get. A power n whole transpose equal to A power n minus 4 whole power t means transpose into minus A power 4. So on, see here, n minus 4, 4. So this exponent is decreasing, no? So on. At a stage what you will get? Minus A whole power n will get. Okay. So what I can write? Minus 1 power n into A power n I can write. What is the n here, Nana? Odd natural number. That's why what I can write? Minus A power n we got. So what you got final I will write. A power n whole transpose equal to minus A power n I got. What is the meaning of that? A power n is a skew symmetric. Okay, students, interesting. Yeah. Clearly I explained. Yeah, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. These are important. Remaining easy only now. What is the problem? 11th one. A given, then find its conjugate. What is the problem? Instead of this I can write 1 minus I, 2 plus 3i, 3 iota, sir, not I, 3 iota, 7 minus 2 iota, plus iota, 3 plus 2 iota. That's all. This also you people can complete. Okay, students, our 13th problem. I want to read problem first. If A and B are two skew symmetric matrices, order n, then show that AB is symmetric matrix. Okay. A comma B are two skew symmetric matrix. Okay, means what the meaning of that, Nana? A transpose equal to minus A, B transpose equal to minus B. What should prove? AB is symmetric. AB is symmetric means A power AB transpose should be equal to AB. This should prove. Okay, then I can say that it is AB is symmetric. Otherwise, I can say it is not symmetric. I want to check whether the problem is correct or not. Okay, so what I am doing, let us consider this. Actually, oh sorry, I will write. Consider AB whole transpose. I got definition B transpose into A transpose. B transpose minus B. A transpose minus A. So B you got. Actually, you want to get AB. AB not equal to B in general. So I will write AB whole transpose equal to BA. Yeah, in general, AB not equal to BA. If A, B, these two matrices are commutative property, then I can say that this statement is true. So in general, AB whole transpose not equal to BA transpose. That means AB is not symmetric. I think here in this problem, not symmetric. Nana, I will write it. AB is not symmetric. I then show that AB is not. I will write not. Therefore, yeah, AB is not symmetric. Okay, students. Here AB not equal to BA. No, in general, yeah, product of two matrices won't satisfy commutative. If product of two matrices are commutative, then I can say that in this situation A becomes symmetric. Okay. Yeah. Note down here, not. Leave it. 14th problem. A transpose into B transpose equal to C transpose. From this I want to find C. So A transpose into B transpose whole transpose should be equal to C transpose whole transpose. How you can say means already explained. A and B are two matrices, then A transpose should be equal to B transpose only. According to definition B transpose whole transpose into A transpose whole transpose equal to C. So this is B into A equal to C. Therefore C equal to BA. This is the answer for the problem. This is 14th. Okay, students, next 15th problem. P plus Q matrix is given and given P symmetric, Q is Q symmetric, then find P and Q matrices individually. Interesting thing, students, if you know the matrix P minus Q also, adding these two matrices we will get 2P matrix equal to something, from this something, from this you can find the P matrix. So what is the meaning of that? We need P minus Q matrix. P plus Q matrix is given, no? We need P minus Q matrix. I want to make a plan to create P minus Q matrix. Students, observe now. 15th problem, important model. P plus Q matrix equal to 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let it be result 1. So interesting thing is P plus Q whole transpose equal to this matrix transpose only, no? The definition A equal to B, then A transpose equal to B transpose only. Okay. So according to the definition, what I can write, this is P transpose plus Q transpose equal to what is this? 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. Okay, students. So P transpose means P only, because P is given as a symmetric, minus Q I can say, because Q is given as Q symmetric. There is 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. result number 2. You need to write reason why you got. So P transpose equal to P and Q transpose equal to minus Q. Okay students. Now, oh sorry, okay, is there no here, no problem. Yeah, directly I want, right? 1 plus 2 gives 2p matrix. Directly I want, right? 2p matrix. 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 4 7, yeah 6, yeah 7, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2. Yeah, this is 2p matrix. But I want p matrix. P matrix by the definition 2, 7 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is matrix P nano. So subtract 1 from 2, we get Q matrix. Right? You will get Q matrix as this. That is not big problem. In this way, you can find P matrix, Q matrix. Logical problem. This one. Logical problem. 16th problem. A given, B given, C given. You can show that they are orthogonal. Orthogonal. Just A into A transpose equal to I should prove. You people can complete that problem.